How to see your transactions on Metamask. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your transactions on Metamask app. So first thing we do is we go to Metamask right here, and now as you can see we are in the home page. Now if you want to see your transactions, you need to click here in the top corner on those three lines, and after that you will have this list and choose activity right here. And here you go, here you will find your transactions, and if you don't have any transactions you will have this words right here, you have no transactions. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Please, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.